Here's how I plan to crack the YouTube algorithm in 2025. And it all starts with this video that you're rewatching right now. You see, over the last few months, YouTube has been cracking down on low-effort content. And if you're not producing high-quality videos that provide real value to viewers, your videos are not going to be pushed out by the YouTube algorithm. In fact, your videos could be completely buried, never to be seen again. So in this video, I want to share with you my strategy for 2025 that has been developed using the most advanced AI technology that exists today. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, Matt, AI is taking over the world as we know it. It's going to destroy the economy. People are going to lose their jobs. But I'm here to tell you that AI is not going anywhere. And if you choose to ignore it or fight against it, you're going to get left behind. There's two schools of thought when it comes to AI. You either have people who think that it's gone, take over the world and destroy everything, or they don't care about it at all. There's a third group of people who are choosing to learn how to use AI to make their lives easier and to make them more money. And I fall into that third category. Over the last few months, I've been experimenting with a bunch of different AI tools to see how I can use them within my business. Now I've discovered some really interesting things. For example, I found that AI can help me come up with video ideas. It can help me write video scripts, it can help me edit my videos, and it can help me do my research. But here's where it gets really interesting. AI can also help me with something called YouTube SEO. You see, when you upload a video to YouTube, there are a bunch of different factors that determine how well that video is going to perform. One of those factors is the title of the video. Your title needs to be searchable, it needs to be clickbaity, and it needs to be relevant to the video topic. Well, turns out that AI is really good at doing this. Turns out that AI can help you come up with titles that are going to perform really well. So next time you're struggling to come up with a good title for your YouTube video, try asking AI. I promise you, it's going to help you come up with something really creative. And if you do end up using AI to help you with your YouTube titles, please let me know how it works out for you. In the meantime, I'm going to keep on experimenting with AI, and I'll see you in the next video.